Anytime a company officer goes to a incident where they check fire alarms and install smoke detectors in a residence or business, they are to put in a smoke detector install. You can tie that to the incident that you are on by simply going to additional reports, all staff activity. When you do this, it will present a box that's you're creating an event that happened the same time that the actual call is going on. And yes, we did. This will bring up the activities, staff activity box entry. It is normal to your daily entry for a smoke detector. The only difference is it is tying it to this particular call. At this particular call, y'all installed a smoke detector. So you would do your normal community risk reduction, change the description to smoke detector install. Location would be incident scene, whatever unit or station it was from. You would add the group that from the schedule. Add how many adults were in attendance during this. 1. How many children? 1. And how many smoke detectors you installed. 2. In the notes section, you would make sure to add the number of smoke detectors. And the number on the box, so that the training officer can verify what smoke detectors went to what locations. He has to keep up with that for the state level, and so you need to add the numbers in the notes section. The address would be tied to this report, but you can also add the address of the incident of wherever you're installing the smoke detectors. Click save. And then under the staff at incident activities, it shows a smoke detector installed. That way, at this certain time, at this certain incident, we installed smoke detectors. It's just a quick way to add that to this report versus going through the staff activity and we're not really capturing what we did there. So that's how you install a smoke detector or report installing a smoke detector during an incident. You can also, it doesn't have to be a smoke detector install. If you did a pub ed on scene of an incident, you can also add the pub ed. It's the same thing as a smoke detector. It's a community risk reduction. And change it to show and tell. Be sure to add your adults and 10 kids and showed kids fire truck and hand it out pub ed material. Whatever you did, if you showed the kids the fire truck and handed out pub ed materials, or just make sure you put some type of notes there. Click save, and it goes in show and tell and smoke detector install for this particular incident that you were on. Close.